Hey guys, I'm back. I'm so sorry. Animal Jam is actually being updated, so it won't let me play. So right now I'm actually, looking at the daily blog to show you guys too. So you don't have to look at it yourself. Rare Mondays going on, all this stuff, and yeah, so there's all kinds of stuff. Pretty good drawings and gems, diamonds, there's videos, all kinds of cool stuff, free downloads on these, but it said it was being updated, so yeah, but yeah, like the Link's fashion show, I guess is going on, but see if it'll let me play now. Oh, cool. Well, looks like the updating just finished. Pretty cool. Whoa. Okay, guys, this is really cool because it's turning Halloween, so this is pretty cool, guys. This is pretty cool background. It just stopped updating, so I can see why. Probably new clothes and all kinds of stuff. I'm chewing gum right now, so sorry if you hear me. But I bet this whole place is updated. And what is it showing me? Did I get something? Bittersweet. Okay, the Phantoms have been stealing loads of candy, and it's up to the brave pets. Have you seen what happens when you click on your pet's snake? Visit a how do you say that? Yours? Okay, I don't care. Man. Okay. The Phantoms have been stealing loads of candy, and it's up to your brave pets of Jamma to get it back in this awesome adventure that is for all jammers. Whoa. The Epic Haunted Manor is the perfect den for jammers who like creepy rooms, haunted trees, and other spooky surprises. Pet bats have returned to Jamma. Rumor has these flying pets are hiding somewhere in the spooky party. Okay then. So, you'd see all that, guys. And, whoa, what are these? Okay, this is cool. This is pretty cool. Well, it looks like they updated that. And this is a new update, guys. Oh, cool, you actually get candy from walking past me. Well, as I was saying, this is pretty cool. And let's go to the main place, Jamma Township, if it allows us. Whoa. Loading rare items. Okay. Whoa, this is cool. They have annoying music. Wolf Animal Day. Oh, I thought that said Wolf World Animal Day. This is actually, if we could actually get through this crowd, oh my gosh. Let me come through, people. Today's a Thursday, guys, so tomorrow's a Friday, and that means I have no homework. I am free from school. Let me in. And so I'll probably be doing a bunch. Oh, thank you. A bunch of videos. Any new? Yes, good chat. I have a rare witch hat, but yeah. The skull is pretty good for Halloween. And the moon and all this stuff. The werewolf mask and yeah. Is there a white one? Maybe? No. I like that one, but I don't need to spend money. Stuff I don't wear or need. But it is kind of cool. I don't know. But tomorrow's gonna be a fun day. I'm gonna be playing with my friend, and it's gonna be a good day tomorrow. So, I'm just hoping you guys probably have a good day tomorrow too. Oopsies. Okay, whatever. Everybody's probably going to be looking and stuff like that. If you guys looked at this and you're like, what does that mean? And you never clicked on it because you're afraid it might do something bad. If you click on it, and then you could go here. And this means, are you sure you want to recycle this item for 165 gems? Sometimes there'll be different amount of gems, but that means you won't have that item anymore. If you don't want it, just press OK. And it'll go away and you'll get the money. It's, I don't know. But, yeah. I wonder what the party is. Okay. Parties. Bittersweet. Spooky party. I'm going to spooky party in 55 minutes. Don't worry, guys. I know this. I can only do videos for 10 minutes. It sucks. It's just because of the kind of videotape I have thing. So, yeah, this is creepy music. But so once I go to that haunted house place, I'll videotape that just in case you guys want to see what is going on. Plug in shockwave. All I have is my mouse plugged in. Stay over here. When I learned that the phantoms had stolen all the candy and jam, I followed them through the portal to see what they were up to. I don't know how they're doing it, but they're somehow using the candy to create tiny prototype phantoms. These proto-phantoms aren't as big as or mean as normal phantoms, and if you touch them, you can defeat them and get back the candy. Sorry. If you can help get some of our candy back, I'll reward you with a special prize. The more candy you gather, the better prizes you'll get. It may be spooky out there, but I know you can do it. Good luck. Oh my gosh, am I invisible? Oh my gosh, I'm invisible. Why am I invisible? Oh, only your pets could do it. That's right. Sorry. Okay, I did not notice that. Please help. Okay, guys, I have 30 seconds, so I'm gonna redo a video. And so, guys, I'll be doing a video right when it stops, so see you in a bit.